Hi folks, Danny with Lark Overland here to give you a quick tour of the Adventurer ADRB camper. These Adventurer campers are built by the same folks who build the Scout campers out in Yakima, Washington. But as you can tell, there are quite a few differences between these campers and the Scouts. So let's hop in and take a look. The interior of the Adventurers offer a much homier and updated RV look. It has built-in permanent amenities like the kitchen sink and stove, a full wet bath with shower and a flushing toilet, and a convertible sofa couch and dining area. The spacious north-south queen-size bed, complete with nightstands, storage, and clear view windows, makes for quite the bedroom setup in such a compact camper. With a 16,000 BTU furnace, closed cell block foam insulation, a fully insulated floor, and an optional AC unit, this camper, like the Scouts, is equipped to handle any season. There are a number of features to call out on the exterior of the ADRB as well. Its walls are constructed using high-gloss laminated fiberglass, all built around a sturdy aluminum frame. You have the option to get the electric-powered Happy Jack system, which this camper has, making unloading, loading up, and leveling that much easier. To enhance the outdoor living experience, you have the option to get a rear-powered awning, creating a sheltered patio space at the touch of a button. For utility, the exterior is thoughtfully appointed with an outside shower, providing hot and cold water, a lockable battery compartment, and a centralized service bay for all your water and power connections. A rear-mounted ladder provides access to the one-piece TPO roof, which is strong enough to walk on for maintenance and can be optioned with solar panels or a roof rack. This particular ADRB is the limited Overlander edition, meaning it also includes 400 watts of solar, this cool custom exterior wrap, a fully synthetic seat for the dining area, and some other items like a removable rug and a portable JBL Bluetooth speaker. As you can see, the Adventurer ADRB comes with more bells and whistles than a Scout, but to its advantage, it doesn't come with a ton more weight. The heaviest Scout, which is the new Kenai pop-up, has a dry base weight of 1,278 pounds, whereas the ADRB rings in at 1,787 pounds. Substantially more, yes, but still a very competitive weight compared to other campers in the market, given all of the amenities that it has. Theoretically, this camper could work on a half-ton truck if you have one with an extra high payload, but generally you're going to want a 3/4 ton or a full ton truck to carry this thing. And the ADRB works with a short bed or a long bed. As of this recording, this camper is currently in stock and available to go home today and start going out on adventures. But check out our website, larkoverland.com, for more information and an updated list of campers that we currently have in stock. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and thanks for watching. Hi folks, Danny here. Hi folks, Danny with Lark Overland here, and I'm going to show you. Hi folks, Danny. Oh my god, this is gonna take forever. These Adventurer campers are built by the Granger. Its walls are used. Has a dry base weight of 1,278 pounds. 1787, 1278. 1,278. Granger, lay down. Missy, lay down.